like Illuminati. You can see me like Illuminati.
Wild freedom, independence, and a life close to the land. These are the words I use to describe these cowboys. Fernando, Francisco, and Wilson are the cowboys in Banana Bank, Belize. We met under the coconut trees, where they were patrolling their land, and I was trying to sneak some coconuts.
Yeah. Is this coconut like public or belongs to someone?
We planted. We used to have like planting a lot of stuff here, but we left it open because horses want to eat grass and stuff.
Yeah. I see. Thanks for the coconuts.
Yeah, you're welcome, guys.
But they were so friendly that they not only forgave me, they even let me ride their horses. And that's how it started. We made plans to hang out. And a few days later, my friend Clay and I left the Canadian expat community we had been staying in.
今天就走了。
Up in this place. If you can't catch the feeling, then get out the way. I've been reeling and fish from the lake. They keep saying I'm down to earth, but I'm really out of space. All these women aliens, super foreign, so exotic. Hop in the Mercedes Benz, and I got them crushing like ice pouring above. It's overflowing on us.
We moved to Banana Bank and parked our camper by the Belize River.
I got stuck.
So, just gotta turn your wheels back to the right a bit.
Right or left?
Right hand down. Yep, a little bit more. Yep, okay. Now go reverse. Just go slow. Keep going.
That's not for me.
Okay. I'm gonna drive up right here, and then this will be. If you want to put this part like right back up. Well, we got a perfect view then.
Yes.
As I'm turning 30 this year, I feel like I'm standing at the crossroads in my life. There are so many different ways I could shape my future years. And during my Nomad trip, seeing how others live, I'm constantly reminded of just how wide life spectrum is. On one end, everything feels fast-paced and hyper-competitive, everyone racing alongside AI. On the other hand, people live far removed from all of that, living a life rooted in the land.
¿Te gusta tu trabajar? 4 años? 5 años.
Anyway, no matter what life you choose, you'll survive. And someday,
Wow! Whoa!
you'll die. But if I have to die, I'd rather die on a day like this.
Wow, what a life, my god. If I need to die, I wanna die today. I wanna die today, seriously. It is so good.
Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Place your bets on us. Get your money and flip it.
Why they do that? It's like celebration for a holiday or what?
Back in the days, the Mayan used to use this. They didn't have roads, so they used to travel this.
Right, okay.
Yeah. As transportation, they use canoes.
I see, I see.
Hanging on, walking tall. Some days I got no use for it all. Working hard, making less. Some days are bad, bad at best.
Guapo también.
Foolish notions, foolish lies.
This is cool, this bike. Kick a little bit.
Playing every game except the lottery. Serving everybody else and told myself I'm free. Misery is a showy state of bad company.
Do you need help?
Foolish
You got it.
notions,
This guy have blue eyes.
foolish lies, foolish notions. They cut me down to size.
Out of camera. Out, out. Jaguar. Oh my goodness.
You came along and lifted me up. The going got tough, but the tough got some love.
Recuerda que se hizo.
What is this place? Wilson? Wilson? Sí, qué bonito. Vende.
Hola. Hola.
I said goodbye.
This is how they cook. 好原始的方法。This is a wild apple. What's happening there? ¿Qué haciendo aquí? Ah, basura.
Sí,
Pero los materos no basura.
mucho necesito sembrar arbolitos de fruta.
Qué bueno.
Más coco.
¿Más coco?
Sí.
Wow. Whoa. Wow.
Got enough?
Enough. Totally enough.
Climb.
Man, this must weigh like
Now you see why my arms are like
jacked because you do this all day.
not jacked. Oh, wait.
What do you think this weighs?
That's like
Ooh. This is so fun.
No.
this guy, he's cowboy too.
Me I'm a bull rider.
And he's
Nice.
an old bull rider.
I ride bull. I represent the league.
We'll be friends here. I'm moving here.
Oh, alright, that's nice.
Headed out at dawn. Yeah, I saddled up my shoes. Headed out at dawn. Ain't no place gonna hold me when the road keep rolling on. Left my baby crying. Said you can't live that way. Left my
baby crying.
Do you have horse meat too?
No.
we don't eat the horses here.
I mean, when they are
But
dying.
I will love to eat a piece.
So he puts the grass
Oh, that's your grinding wheel.
in a blend, yeah, it grinds and grind it. This is givna. This is a royal.
Ooh, yeah, extra bonus.
Perfect. That one would be ready to cook. I seen one this morning.
What's that?
It's a little rabbit.
Oh, rabbits?
Rabbit, yeah.
Kind
Wow.
of like a rabbit.
You're gonna
Royal
like
rat.
this. You're gonna
Muchas
like
gracias.
That's the rat that the Queen Elizabeth come and eat here in Belize.
It's gonna be a feast.
It's become so popular in Belize because it's tasty. And like all the people that come in, they want to taste it, You guys are lucky. Lamb.
Or
Lamb, pork,
What's your
rabbit.
name?
And we're gonna have fish too. Now, tortilla. Taco party. 哇，西瓜。买个菜也挺花功夫的，我觉得。Compré los ingredientes desde locales. Así que es muy interesante. Even buying ingredients is so fun because we're buying it from like locals, you know. Thanks to our guide who take us to all the wonderful places.
That's what we do. Let's share the country.
Desde las 9.
9. ¿Te gusta tu trabajar?
Oh, sí.
5 años.
Vamos a cumplir 6 en marzo.
¿Qué es en la maíz? Solo maíz y agua. Solo maíz.
Y agua.
¿Es plástico?
Yes.
Nas-
¿Usted come tortilla?
¿Qué?
¿Tortilla come?
I'm gonna go make one.
Espera, digo, no. Yes.
Porch light flicker on the siding, moths dancing like they know the tune. Porch light flicker on the siding, moths dancing like they know the tune. Every breath is borrowed, but tonight the world's in tune.
Es no fácil como parece. Sí. It's not that simple. Yeah.
Arms beneath me, plank boards keep the time. What's your arms beneath me, plank boards keep the time. If this sounding perfect,
这个去逛超市的快乐，怎么能比得上这个呢？好有人情味的一种。
someone lives.
So this is called tortilla a mano.
This is quicker.
It's quicker.
They have more technique on this. Also, the other one is going to be small because
Oh, the press size. I see. And it's thicker too.
yeah, it's thicker.
I see. Whee! This 这是一个香蕉树哎 ，banana baby。被姐姐奴役的小弟弟。Let's go. We're gonna go spearfishing tonight. I don't know what we're gonna catch, but it's an adventure.
I hear you talking at work to the boys in the gym, talking at the bar till I walk in. Baby, why won't you talk to me? Can't get your tongue when we're talking about what I need.
Bravo! Bravo! Here, that's me for you. It's burned a little bit though.
Yeah, I see more.
Say what you will at the hardware store.
Wow, this
Don't
looks
get
amazing.
started talking
Looks so
about
yummy.
sports, baby. Why won't you talk to me? Can't get your tongue.
Oh, it's so good. If I need to die, I wanna die today. is so good. Oh my goodness. I wasn't even hungry, but this meat is so good. 太好吃了，天哪！ Hai muy rico. Yeah, let's try.
This is life. Live it.
C'est la vie. C'est la vie. Wow, what a day! Oh my god. Wow, what a life! Oh my god. Anybody need tortilla?
Think you're the silent type. That ain't what I like.
I think it's hard.
I need a man who knows how to speak. Oh, think you're the silent type. But that ain't what I like. I want a man to keep me company and talk to me.
And it's white. This is black pepper. I wanna be a guy. So much fun.
Hanging on, walking.
Ooh, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot. Can you break it like two?
Some days I got no use for it all.
No salt.
Working hard,
Thank you, chef.
making less.
This lime gonna be a game changer.
Some
Everybody's
days are
cooked fish.
bad,
It's so good.
bad at best.
Oh no!
Foolish.
Fish taco. Couldn't believe we have a party without beers or any alcohol.
One thing is you'll remember it after today. The
Oh,
alcohol you will remember.
oh, that's a good point. I love that.
Just thinking I could make something of me. Playing every game except the lottery. Serving everybody else and told myself I'm free. Misery is a showy state of bad company.